Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 to 3 counting. Colors name: pink color, light yellow color, orange color, black color, brown color, light blue color, dark blue color and red color. Let's start. Blue color. Blue color 1. O-N-E 1. Blue color 2. T-W-O 2. Blue color 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Blue color 4. F-O-U-R 4. Blue color 5. F-I-V-E 5. Blue color 6. Blue color 6. S-I-X 6. Now time to pink color. Seven. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Now light green color. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15. F-I-V-T-E-E-N 15. And at last small smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn blue color, pink color and light green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and at last smiley for happy kids. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.